to solve Rubik's Cube 3 by 3. Easy way. Okay, to start with the any Rubik's Cube, we have 6 colors: yellow, white, blue, green, red, and orange. And always right behind yellow, green. Those don't change. And we have side corners and we have corners. Okay, when we start Rubik's Cube, we start with yellow. We call it daisy. Okay, we try to put the cross like this. White, you have to go here, do it this way. Another one here, another color here, white, go here. Now when you do this cross like that, you match the blue with the center. See, when you match it, any color, you go down. Green, you go down. Orange, you go down. And red, you match it and you go down. When you go down, he look like a cross, plus or cross, whatever you say it. Okay, always left to white under. Okay, now we have to go with the corner, the white, because those white, you match the green with the left side white here. When you match it, you do this algorithm. Easy. And you fix it. Another one here, orange and white on your left side. Okay, the blue on your left side. 1, 2, 3. And you match it, you do it here. This in wrong place, you kick it out. You go this way and you find the red center with the left side, and that's it. You fix all first layer. Okay, now we go with second layer. Okay, now we have to find the color red and blue, or blue and orange, or orange and green, and this one in wrong place. We kick it out, we do it again. You see, now in the right side, remember this option, right side, 1, 2, 3, and you fix it. Okay, the one I kick out, now we find it. When you find the color, we kick it out, green and red, you go to the left side. When you go to the left side, you put in the right side, and you do same algorithm, 1, 2, 3, and you do like that. Now he is in right side, right? 1, 2, 3, and you fix it. Okay, same with blue and red. When you want to be in left side, you turn it to right side and you go up, same algorithm. Okay, now right side, blue, right side. Okay, now we fix it again. Find another one. Found no yellow sticker. Okay, orange and green, take into the orange and green, you match the color. Okay, these go to the left side. When you go to the left side, you put in right side, 1, 2, 3, and green, right side white, 1, 2, 3, you fix it. The last one, orange and blue, orange. When you go to the left side, we put in the right side, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now he is on right side. 1, 2, 3. Now we fix the second layer. Easy way. Okay, before we start this one, we need to know about those algorithms. Figure A. F for face, R for right, U for up, right for right, up for the up, and front in the front. Okay, okay, that's right, up, front, left, down, and the back, B, back. When you say C means wise clock, when the clock turn right side, right clock, clockwise, okay, clockwise, counterclockwise, up, U, clockwise, counterclockwise, left, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, D, down, clockwise, counterclockwise, B, clockwise, counterclockwise, F, front, clockwise, counterclockwise. Okay, get this one. Okay, now we need to make L or minus or plus. Minus and plus. All this algorithm is FA. Remember this algorithm? F for front, R for right, U for up, right for right, counterclock means counterclock, U counterclock, CC means counterclock, C clockwise, CC counterclockwise. Remember the figure A. Figure A, that's on this Rubik's Cube, we need only 4 algorithms, not much. Those 4 algorithms finish your Rubik's Cube. You don't need to know a lot. In future you can learn a lot, but now just take those 4 and learn it right, and you fix the Rubik's Cube easy. Okay, remember this. Okay, now we try to do this one. Okay, we did L, like I show you here, L. Now from L, minus. Okay, same again. From minus, you go to plus. Same algorithm. Okay, now with the plus, even don't worry about those corners, it's same way, plus. Okay, now when you get this one, we go to the figure B. Figure B, the fish. When we find the fish, with the same algorithm. Always the fish go down this way. Remember, hold on, I show you again. See, the fish, you look like a fish. See, you look like a fish. This fish, the corner go this way, and you do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same algorithm. B. Okay, B. Same way. You see, when you see this facing you, the yellow facing you, means you need only one, another one, and you want to be good. One, see, it's fixed. Okay, now we go with the same color. You see the same color, orange, and you do matching color in the back, matching color. Remember this, write it down and do it easy. Right, counterclockwise, F for front, C, one clock, right, B, the back, F for front, R, B, R. Remember those? Put it here. Okay, you see? All right. You say the matching color. Okay, when you get this here, you see, same colors, corners, same colors. You go with this D. That's the last one. Just do this one like many times and you finish the Rubik's Cube. There is another one, but I don't want to make you learn a lot of, we can teach you this like this one. You can do it same, but it's same like this one, but just do this one and you'll be okay to fix the Rubik's Cube. Okay. Now, two. Okay. When you match the color in the back, you do the same again, same again. Remember, R two times, U, C, R, 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 U, R, U, R, U, R. Just easy when you do it first time and you learn it, your hand used to it, and you don't need to remember it. It's easy, want to be easy for you. Two times, 1, 2, 3, and you go down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the Rubik's Cube is done. Thank you.